Hey guys, so I've got a quick tip video on a 2017 Kia Soul GDI engine 2.0. If you're having a problem with the oil consumption, which is a very well-known issue on these cars for a couple of years, if you're lucky, your car will fall under the warranty. The dealer will do like a consumption test, make you drive like 1,000 miles after topping it off and sealing it. And if it's below a certain amount, usually about a quart, if it's more than a quart and a half every 1,000 miles, they'll replace the engine or repair whatever the problem is inside. And if you're super lucky, they'll just replace it without giving you a very hard time and jumping hoops. Meanwhile, there's some people, either the dealer's not covering it because the consumption is not bad enough, or their car does not fall under this warranty. One thing you can try is, I know there's a lot of treatments, so I've used all of them, like Blue Devil, Lucas, all that stuff. The only one that seems to work for me is this old school Slick 50. It's a little bit of AutoZone. It's not very expensive. You might have to use it once or twice. I've used it on a couple of different cars, and I won't say it 100% fixed it, but it brought it down to some extent and made it bearable. And number two, replace the PCV valve. Very simple repair to do. You don't need to take it to the shop. Just pop this cover off. The valve is right over here. Just loosen this clamp, pull it back. It's a 7/8 socket or 21 inch. It just screws out. Put the new one in. This is the new one, port number. This is how the valve looks. Very simple to replace. It's very hard to mess up. This is something I would try first and then see how much it helps. Again, it's not going to do it right away. You might have to drive it a little bit. You might have to use the treatment once or twice. Hopefully it'll help you, rather better than putting a quart every day or every couple of days. So hopefully this helps somebody. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.